Hey yo, it's Chris O. So what we're doing here now, I've just laid that. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I need to mark, because I'm going to be splitting this tile because it's all going to be sloping. So I lay it all against here because those tiles are straight. Otherwise, if I put them out on the floor here and used a level, you know, a straight edge, and put them against a straight edge, to get them straight. I'm laying them against the tile here. Right, they're in a straight line. I need to go from that point to, I'll come down, say about that much, 20 mil. Because if I go right to the corner, 9 times out of 10 the corner chips, and you need to cut it with a on a wet saw, you know, a wet saw. But there's no need for that. DIYs, you don't have to go out buying a wet saw. No. Now you see my level's not long enough as a straight edge, so what you do is you grab another level and you extend it like that. So that is my line, and I carry it on through there. I don't have to mark the whole tile, just where I need to sight it on the cutter. Now, if Jeffo was asking me the question, which I think he was, asking me how to get it straight, that's how I get it straight, mate. And then I just cut it on my cutter at those points, which I'll go out and I'll show you, and then we'll bring them back, lay them, easy peasy, clip them up, we're laughing. I've got a nice bit of fall, I explained before I tiled it, a nice bit of fall, so the bath can lean slightly, but I know if any water from this shower, because there's not going to be any screen here, any water from this shower coming off your elbow when you're washing your hair and that sort of thing, it could end up over here. I've got fall on that tile of 4.5 mil, so the water will not rest in that corner. No water will come up this end, but instead of twisting it, you give it the same amount of fall, so you keep to the flat surface, if you dig what I mean. If I would have gone the normal flat, I would have had a twisted floor, and that's no good for tiling. If you slope your floor and flat, you're home and hose. I'll just duck out and cut these tiles and I'll come back.